Well, we've got some big news coming from Carnival Cruise Line, and we're going to talk about it right after this. Hey everyone, Bruce here with Ocean Travel. Welcome back to our channel. Well, we were wondering who the next cruise line was going to be that was going to end their pre-cruise testing. Well, it is Carnival Cruise Line, and we actually have two stories from Carnival pertaining to their pre-cruise testing. Story number one, effective August 4th, fully vaccinated guests that are on itineraries of 5 days or less are no longer going to have to do pre-cruise testing. If you are on an itinerary of 6 days or longer, you are still going to have to do your pre-cruise testing. But if you're on cruises of 3, 4, or 5 days, effective August 4th, you no longer have to do that testing. Now, before we get to story number 2, I want to invite you to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so every time we upload new content, you will be notified. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps our channel, and we're really pushing hard to hit that 800 subscriber mark. We're at 776 subscribers right now, so we only got 24 to hit that 800 mark, and it would really help if you'd hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And now on to story number 2, and this is pertaining to unvaccinated guests. Effective August 4th, unvaccinated guests will no longer have to take their pre-cruise test the date of departure at the port. You'll just have to do the pre-cruise testing up to 3 days before the cruise, and it can either be the PCR test or the antigen test. And it just needs to be done at a lab, or you can do it with the home proctored test through emed.com. And I will put a link to those tests down below in the description. And they are really, really easy. And it's our favorite way to do the testing instead of trying to get to, Walgreens, Walmart, wherever you do your testing at. So it really helps a lot. So we will leave that link down below. But you will no longer have to do the testing at the port, but just 3 days prior to your cruise. So what do you think about Carnival's announcement? Are you happy about it? Are you on a shorter cruise and as of August 4th, you are no longer going to have to take a test? When do you think they might drop for the longer cruises? And who do you think the next cruise line is going to be that's going to make changes in their testing protocol? Leave your comment down below because we'd be really interested to see what your thoughts are. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, happy travels. We'll see you out there.